If you get half a cup crushed chili, quarter cup chili powder, quarter cup sesame seeds, half a cup garlic, some ginger, some green onion, some green chilies crushed, and some cilantro. Add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon sugar. Mix it well. Add 2 cup hot corn oil and you will get some delicious chili oil to store in fridge for 2 months. 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon garlic, some chicken cubes. Cook them until they change their color. Add capsicum, carrot and cabbage. Add some soy sauce, vinegar, Chinese salt, black pepper, simple salt. Add long macaroni in it. Dish out all the noodles. Pour some chili oil. Mix it well. Keep your macaroni or noodles really simple so you can enjoy the taste and aroma of chili oil and enjoy. Must try this recipe. Like and subscribe. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.